Tonight, like I said, our County Executive Armin Budish is going to be swearing in all our board members and officers. And if, as I call their names, if they would come forward, please. President Pierre Bajani. First Vice President Tony Abdul Karim. I am second Vice President. Third Vice President Joe Sharif. Treasurer Sammy Tanous. Recording Secretary Gina Coleman. Corresponding Secretary Yasmin Pleder. Sergeant at Arms Tony Nassif. And board members Dr. Mansour Ahmed. George Kusa. Faris Alamed. Alami. Waleed Dadir. And two individuals that can't be with us tonight are Abby Mina and Bill Studney, who are both recovering from illnesses.
So it's my honor and privilege to swear in the officers tonight. I will say that I've been fortunate to make a whole lot of friends in this room, and I consider that a true blessing for me. So I don't think I've missed one of these dinners, and I come because you're my friends. So thank you very much, and thanks for the honor of doing this.
Thank you.
Please repeat after me. I, and state your name, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of, and state your office,
The office of President and President.
And will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States. So help me God.
Thank you.
Congratulations.